So just a little demo to show you what I'm working on. So I got the cat here, able to breathe. You see him, his belly there. I did separate the letters so we can do what you want with this. We can make them glow, dance, bounce around, whatever. Now this clock hand, what I am plan on doing with this is rotating them around. That's going to take a bit. But then I also have this little octopus here doing his little snoring. Well, that's so far what I got worked here. If you decide to keep it, if not, it's whatevs. For this one, didn't really do much. Got your letters, and then you got your cat breathing there. I think it looks cute. So this is that starting soon scene. As you can see here, I got the radio. That's just lo-fi. I'm sure you're familiar with Lo-Fi Girl. Little screensaver for your cats, and then an actual animated background for your window there. Looks like it's raining. You can switch these out. You want to switch out the screensaver, whatever's on the screen on your phone, whatever. Now these don't have the animated like breathing cat and whatnot, because I didn't know if you wanted that. I didn't know if you were going to keep this. I'm just trying to give you a little demonstration of what it could look like. So just picture the clock face having its hands move and the breathing octopus and cat. And then that should be right back screen. I got you a different background for the window. This is just a simple backyard. I mean, but this is basically what I was going with here. Now we could also add stuff to the desk that dances around or lights up, whatever. You know, whatever we can find. But this just wanted to give you a little demo. Tell me what you think. Make sure I'm going in the right path. This is what you want.